Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So what I wanted to do with this channel is just to help you get started in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you sign up to sell other people's products without having to keep stock. And the easiest way to explain it is where, for instance, what you see in front of you now is my dashboard for one of the companies that I've signed up as an affiliate, Faithful to Nature, and the other one is Travel Start. So today we're going to set one up for Travel Start. These are newly created accounts as well, so you'll see all the balances are zero here. So all it is that on Travel Start's website there's a link at the bottom where you can sign up to be an affiliate, and that just simply means that you are gonna bring traffic and you're gonna bring customers to their website, and when these customers buy something from that website you will get a commission. So here you'll start seeing stats of how much you've got available to withdraw, how much is approved, how much is due, and all of those things. And the dashboards normally give you all the stats in terms of how you're performing. One of the most famous affiliate companies is ClickBank, which is a similar setup like this. You get a dashboard, you've got offers and that. So I wanted to keep it local, and local meaning South Africa, and wanted to keep it simple. What I'm going to show you now is first how to set up an affiliate website and why you want to set up an affiliate website. So you'll see here at the bottom for Travel Start, for example, this would be my affiliate link here. So if I grab this link and paste it on Facebook, for example, or onto a blog, if someone clicks on that link and goes to the Travel Start website, I get paid a commission. You'll see here as well, they've got some promo codes, some links. Let's see what they've got in here, just so you get an idea of how affiliate marketing would work, and if it's as easy a business as everyone says it is. So in here you get all the resources you need. So in here, let's maybe choose Travel Start. Click there. So here for Travel Start, for example, these are all the codes. So when you click get code, if that's the banner that you want to use here, this would then show you the codes specific to this banner and specific to you as an affiliate. So here, something called the tracking link. This would be the link that you would place behind that picture, and if someone clicks on this online, you then get credited with that customer. Here when you start talking about HTML on your website, I'll show you as well how you can do this. This then creates this whole image on your website where you've said it should be, and then when someone clicks, again you get a commission. So with all of these methods, the customer would click on the link and go directly to Travel Start's website. So if I can show you here, this just shows you now, if someone say clicks on that link, it would then take them straight to the Travel Start website. You can see here travelstart.co.za, airlines, blah blah. So it's got all the specials here. So it's gone straight to the website. So when someone signs up or books something on here, you get the commission. But the big thing here is that yes, you get the commission, but you don't get the customer's contact details. And this is quite critical because say 5 or 10 years down the line, this company that you're an affiliate for no longer has an affiliate program. You've spent all this time getting customers for them and you don't even know who the customers are. So what you would need to do, and the reason why you need your own website, is that you need to take the customer from that advert that you have placed. Either it's in a blog or you've placed a Facebook advert. When someone clicks on that advert, they need to go straight to your website, and then on your website you would then grab their email address before you present them with this offer. Now what that does is that now you've got their email address. You can, one, send this special or any other travel related special straight to them on email. You can even send other communication as your database grows, as you find more and different ways to add value to these customers. Now the software, that the number of things that we're going to use, one is in terms of hosting. There are two options that we're going to look at. Let me show you the other one. The first one is hostgator.com. The second one is a local one, a South African one, which is it's Console, which is now called Nilo. I've got a number of websites, probably 30 odd websites. So for me, this option of a South African company makes sense, because then if I've got any issues, I'm able to phone these guys directly, and they are super responsive. So if I've got any issues, I can just pick up the phone. So if I can show you here, if you will have tons and tons of website domains, I've got a volume plan with them, and this will just show you the number of domains that I've got here with them. See all of these domains here. We're gonna use this domain here, wastedspace.co.za, and what we are gonna do for a landing page is we're gonna create a travel sort of feel and a look about it. So the other provider here is HostGator. They've got tons of crazy specials. I mean, $2.75 per month. That's about what? That's like in South African rands. That's probably maybe 35 rands a month. You know, they've got one for $3, which would be emails. It would be your domain name. Domain name would be like hostgator.com is a domain name, or wastedspace.co.za is a domain name as well. Yeah, so if you're interested in any of these, I've got the links at the bottom in the description of this video. Click on those. HostGator does have an affiliate program. If you look here at the top, affiliates, I am an affiliate for HostGator as well. I do use HostGator for one of my private websites. I don't yet host any of my other client websites. For me, it just, with that many websites hosted on a domain that's outside of South Africa, I'm not comfortable with that yet. So I host ones and twos on this website, and so far so good. You know, they've got great uptime. Probably over time I'll start migrating and splitting my business between the local and this HostGator. If you're interested in getting hosting from them, the link's in the bio, and also the link for Nilo is there as well. So in terms of setting up a website, the first thing that we are actually going to need to do is, if we go over here to this website domain, wastedspace.co.za, if we go over to this website, you'll see it keeps saying error establishing connection. What I've done is I've actually deleted the website just to restart it. Let's see, maybe we've got another domain here that's blank. Let's see, maybe Stainway. Let's say Stainway, so that we can start one from scratch. Let's say stainway.co.za. Aha, there we go. So there's absolutely nothing on this website. So we'll use this website just for purposes of this video. Here at the top, it'll tell me what website I'm on. So the first thing we need to do on this website is we need to set up the software. Now the software that we are going to set up is WordPress. WordPress is the backbone of the websites. Most websites actually use WordPress in the background. This is the easiest, most user-friendly website builder there is out there. So really simply, when you look at both these hosts as well, Console and also HostGator, they have an option for you to load, see, WordPress hosting, so you can directly download the WordPress while you're in the control panel. So here, if we just get started now, we'll just say start installation. This will then start communicating between your server and WordPress, and it will bring the software onto your website so that you then are able to start building. Let's have a look what it does here. It's just going through all the options now. You just say start installation. Now as it's doing the installation, it will start provisioning, creating a database on your server, and then downloading all the necessary components. There we go, almost done. Now we say finalize installation. Just say continue. If it's English, you just leave it at that and you say continue, and then you give your title a name. Just say Stainway, let's say Stainway Holidays. Silly name, but anyway. Username, we'll just say stainway.co.za. Here we'll just put in a new password. Alright, email address, we'll just make up an email address here, hello@stainway.co.za, and then we say install. It's just logged us out. Just remember now that will be your username, because in the next screen you'll need to input this username, stainway.co.za, and the password that we created. And there we go. So now if we go back to this site here, Stainway, and we refresh, you see now your WordPress is installed on this site. The first thing you'll notice here at the top in the address is that here it says not secure. Now when your site is not secure, it will be very difficult for you to run a successful site where people will feel comfortable going onto your site. The first thing is that Google is going to flag it as a threat, that people's information could get stolen on your site. And once you run a shop on your site, you're also not going to be able to securely set up payment processing. So the first thing that we're actually going to do is, when we go back here to our dashboard, is that so now everything is hosted on here. You need to make sure that you don't have anything that you don't need. So the first thing we're going to start with is here under appearance on the left hand side, under themes, and we're just going to go in here and delete all of these themes that we don't need. Because remember, themes are really the look and feel of the website. Now these are all extra options that we are not going to use, so we'll go right away and delete all of these. Click there, delete, delete. Once we've deleted them, is now we need to go down. If we go down here to where it says plugins, now plugins are the building blocks in WordPress. Plugins allow you to add functionality and also to create the look and feel of your website. So before we do anything else, we need to make sure that we sort out this first issue here, to make the site secure, before we even start fiddling with how the site looks. So we'll go here, we'll say add new. We're adding a new plugin, and the stuff that I'm going to show you, the plugins I'm going to show you, are all free plugins. With some of them will have an option of an upgrade. So on here on the right hand side, you search the plugin and you just type SSL. Now SSL is a certificate that ensures that your website is safe. So if you look for instance at HostGator, see it's got that lock there. At the top in the address bar, it's got that lock. That means that the site is secure. You look at TravelStart, secure. Site is secure. So and your site, not secure yet. So we'll go on here. The one I use all the time is one called Really Simple SSL, which is free. Over 5 million active installations. So we simply click install. It's gonna just install that onto our website, and once it's installed, we just activate that. Now when we activate this, it's then gonna log us out, gives us some information here. We say go ahead, activate the SSL. It then logs us out. We need to then log back in the Stainway, and let's log back in. Right, now we're back in. So if we go back to our website and refresh the site here, see, now we've got a secure website. The other way to check is if we go all the way down to our general, and you'll see here it's now HTTPS. If you look at the address here, it's now HTTPS. So we want to just do some quick cleaning up here. We're going to delete this, and now you see we've still got that heading there, Stainway Holidays. We just keep scrolling down, just click that all the way down, and we'll save the changes here. And then the other thing we want to do while we're here is under general, we'll go all the way down to permalinks. Permalinks are the way that, if you look at all of these here, this is how your website links. If you share your link with someone, this is how the website link will look. At the moment, it's this option here which has all these funny numbers. You need to scroll down and just click the one that says, what's happening here? The one that says post name. Simply post name will just have the website / and then the name of that page. Maybe it's gonna be travel or whatever it is, and you scroll all the way down here and you save changes. So that is the first part done. We've managed to secure the website, and the second part now is we need to look at how can we make our site look pretty before we start adding any content. So the way we do that is we go here into themes. Now in themes, this is where we're now able to get something called a page builder, which will help us to build the type of website that we want. And the page builder, I'll show you now which one, but we start off with the theme that we're going to use. The theme that we'll choose here is a theme called Astra. You go in here and you type Astra, and then Astra theme should come up. Okay, so this is what the theme is, Astra. We'll just simply click install here. It's now installing. Once it's done installing, we will then it will come up with a wizard that will take us step by step on setting up our website. The installation process does take a bit of time, so we will fast forward through this. Right, installed. Then we just activate. And there we go. Now once you've activated this theme, here at the top it's thank you for installing Astra, get started. This will then take you through the wizard of setting up Astra as a theme on your website, regardless of what type of website you're building. From beginning to here, these are the steps that you would follow. Now activating the theme. It will then take us to a screen where we need to choose how we are going to build our site, what builder we're going to use. Here we go. Select page builder. The one that I recommend is Elementor. Elementor is it's a drag and drop builder. So all it means is that if, for instance, you want a search bar, you just drag it from the left, put it on your page, and that's it. Now on this page, once you've selected that you're going to use Elementor, it then shows you templates. Now the beautiful thing about templates is that based on how a template looks, you can basically look at all these templates here and say, hey, listen, I want my website to look like this one with the dogs. I'm going to download this template. Oh, I want it to look like that. I want it to look like this. Whatever it is, then at least you're not starting the site from scratch. What I recommend you do here at the top is you just click there and you select free. Once you click free, you'll notice all the ones that have agency at the top here on the right. So you'll see this one with the dogs, that's got agency. There's another one that's got agency. A number of these are all paid themes. You need to pay something to use those ones. So we simply here in the drop down menu, we go all the way down and we click free. Now it's showing us only the free themes. Now with all these themes that are here, it's just loading a bit slow. You just really have a look here and see which one would fit in with a travel website, because now remember, the affiliate that we are going to promote on this website specifically is Travel Start. So anything to do with holidays, with flights, any such, that's what we might use. Maybe this could be let's have a look at this one here and see if it fits in with what we need. Not too sure. I don't think I like this one. Let's go back here. Let's just look for something real simple, easy on the eye, that we could then customize to our requirements. I think maybe this one here at the top, maybe this one here could work. You see, this one here is talking about adventure. Yeah, I think that one could actually work. So let's now import complete site. Now the two things we can do is that either we import complete site or we import just a home template. Home template would just be this. I always recommend importing the complete site, and then once the site is up and on your domain, you can then choose what you want to do. Let's just say beginner, building the website for myself. Let's say next. Let's skip this step, and then it's gonna start importing. Now it's importing all the elements that we need in order to customize, in order to then have a fully functional website. Now with a website like this that we're building, really the main thing we need is the landing page, which would be the home page, because everything else then becomes an extra additional option for the customer. On an affiliate website, you really want to limit options for the customer. The customer would click, get on your website, and the only option they really need to have is to click on the special that you are running, or the link you're promoting, and sign up for that and receive information. You don't want them clicking around to contact information or testimonials, any of that stuff. You just want to keep it straightforward, simple. The importing process would take a while, so we're gonna skip forward to when it's finished. Right, this is finally finished. Now we can have a look at what our website looks like. Just click that and see what our website looks like. Beautiful, eh? Nice. Really simple, straightforward. Now the first thing that we want to do here is we need to get rid of all of these things here at the top, because you don't want someone clicking here to services and going to services. And the easiest, there are plugins to do that, but the easiest way to do that is you simply go here to pages on your dashboard. Again, you go to pages, and you just delete all these pages. Let's just click all of them. The only one you're going to leave is the home page, and you say bulk action, move to trash, apply. So now you're only going to have just the front page, which is an Elementor. Let's see what happens here. Here we go. I'm not sure what happened here on that page. So all you have now is just the home page, which is this page. So that's the first part now done. We've successfully set this up now. We've got a template going. Now the next part is, once we've got a template there, how do we then edit the template? Really easy. So here on your WordPress dashboard, you click here at the top where it says the name of your site. This will then take you to your website. Here at the top, you edit with Elementor. You just click that. What this then does is it will open up your page builder, which, like I've said, is a straightforward drag and drop. You simply drag elements, you put them on there, you can change, you can edit, all of those things you can do on here. So there we go. You see, so you can just have a quick look now at all these elements here. Now we really want to keep this as simple as possible. I would even say all we really want is this main page here. and we'll play around with how this looks just now, but we really just want this main page and nothing else, so that the customer gets on this page and they know exactly what to do. So the easiest way going forward is really everywhere where you see this here, this is an element that's been added, so you just simply click the X, this will delete it. Delete section. Not interested in upcoming events, delete. Delete. Even this here, you can just delete. So now we're just left with the main page, and that's it. What we can then do here is, say we want to call it Explore a Colorful World. Let's say, so the affiliate we're promoting is Travel Start. So let's promote local tourism, as we are now in a pandemic. So easiest way, anything you see here that you want to edit, like this, you want to change this text, you click here, edit, and then you go all the way to the left, you just highlight that stuff, explore your colorful, let's say Mzansi. And here maybe let's say take a short left. Alright, now if we want to, for instance, these here, I'm not sure what these were, we can just delete these. So you just right click here and go all the way down and delete. And on this one as well, maybe here, let's leave this here and we'll put a picture here. Let's just go now. If you want to add an element in here, see it's got a plus here, you simply click here at the top here, and this gives you options. So you can just put an image in here, so you just click this, you drag, drop it in there. Now you can put a picture in here. Let's see what picture we can put on here. Let's maybe go back to our Travel Start affiliate and look at any of these images here. So let's say, for instance, this one here. This looks lovely. We'll just right click, save this image. I think I already saved an image. Yeah, left Travel Start. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is not save that again. I'm just gonna go back here and just select a file under downloads. Let's go to downloads, and there's a one that says lift Travel Start. You just drag it, drop it there. Now once you've got an image in here, you need to just put something called alt text. This just helps Google find images like this. Just say travel Cape Town and insert media. There we go. That's the first part. Now you've got this image here. I think what we also need to do is find an image that's gonna go here in the background. For instance, if we can find maybe the Drakensberg Mountains or something like that. Let's just but anyway, let's just keep it simple for now. So once we've got this, now people are gonna see book now and they wanna click here, but there's no active link. You see, like this will be a link somewhere, there's no active link here. On the left here where it says link, we then say custom URL. Now this URL, we want that to go to our landing page, our email capture page. Now the email capture, we're going to use something called MailerLite. Now what MailerLite will do is that it allows you to create a number of free accounts here. I already created one for this, so we'll just add a new account, and we'll call it Stainway Holidays. I'm not a robot. So MailerLite is simply a system that captures people's emails and then also automatically can be set up to send messages, emails out. Depending on what action someone takes, it will then allow that, it will then send that type of communication out. So on here, it now wants me to complete the profile. Let's complete the profile here quickly. Now I've got a feeling here it's going to start asking for email addresses. So if you go back to your hosting here and you go to mail here and you manage accounts, we'll just create an account here. Let's say new mailbox. It says hello at Stainway. Hello. We'll do a password here. Confirm. Right. mail.stainway.co.za. This is where we'll be able to log into that email address. So this email address will be hello@stainway.co.za, and we log in. Now while that's logging in, we're gonna go see brand new setup email, nothing in here. We'll go here into settings, set up my name, Stainway Holidays. We'll just input any address here. We'll just call it Stainway Holidays. Let's go all the way down. What's our time zone? Let's have a look here. I think we're looking for Harare or Pretoria. Oh, I think I'm going blind here. Harare, Pretoria, Kabul, Moscow, Central African time. Industry, let's say tourism, travel and transportation. How many people? We'll just say 1 to 5. When was the last time you sent a campaign newsletter? Let's say 2 months. How many subscribers do you have? Say less than 1,000. How do you collect subscribers? Opt-in, e-commerce, and then travel blog. Have you used another? Here this is all really just stats, so you can just put, let's just say MailChimp. Have you ever used other website builders? Let's say WordPress. This is all just stats now that the just say WooCommerce. We'll just say Google search. Then you need to read through this, the anti-spam policy. It's important that you're not part of the problem where you're just getting database lists and spamming people. I've read it. Send email tips. I'm not a robot. Save. So now once this is saved, it will then take us to the next step, which is where we request approval to run this account. We just click request approval. I'd like to verify my website. Website URL is https and what is it? stainware.co.za. Next. This really is to make sure that the address, the information that you submit here is correct. hello@stainware.co.za. It's then going to send an email with a verification link. See, please click on the confirmation link in the email we've just sent you. So we'll go to the email here and refresh it. There's the email that's been sent from MailerLite. Confirm my email address. And we are now, thanks for completing the steps to get your account approved. Your account is currently being reviewed. We'll contact you within, and then you can explore our features. So this account has now been submitted for approval. I think normally within a day or less. Today's Friday, so it might take a bit longer to get the form. So before we carry on here, we just need to go back here and we need to download now. So here, let's make sure we just save. We'll come back to this because now we want to add another plugin. MailerLite has a plugin where we're able to create pop-ups or sign up forms on the actual website itself, so that whatever we do on here, it gives us a link. On here we can just go to plugins, we add a new plugin, and here we'll download the plugin for MailerLite. So we just say MailerLite. Official MailerLite sign up form, which would be this one here. We install. It's by mailer group. We just install this one. Once it's done installing, we will then activate it. And then once it's activated, it will then ask us for certain things here, which we will then get from here. It is here. It's now here. We just click on that. You see, it wants an API key. The API key will be in your settings under account settings. Under integrations. So under integrations, you'll be able to get your API key. You'll then copy that and paste it